ka daw, pwede mag-all the way.
Hindi pwede mag-all the way, Brad, ha? Hanggang ano lang, halfway lang. Oh, maganda laban to. Let's go, let's go. First five.
Champion kayo, no?
Double C. Jerome.
Tinira niyo ko na yan nung laban nila.
Team.
Si iPad. Ryan. Si
Eli Buendia. Si
Charles.
Charles. There you go. Sa kabila na. Astrillo. De Guzman. Joar. Kuya Jun.
Huli mo ulo,
Saka
yung ulo nila. Edwin.
Let's go. First quarter.
Good.
Good luck, boys. Good. Joar, bring the ball. Hop. Wala. Rebound. Kenneth. Inararo. Wala. Rebound. Kumana niya. Okay, rebound again. No foul. Go. Joker nagdadala. Pinasa kay pass to 21 to 27. Mid-range shot. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. To Jerome. Let's see here. Crossover move. Wala. Charles.
Ganda ng shoes.
Kobe shoes. Out of bounds. White ball. Astrillo dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Binigay. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Tinira na lang. Wala. Kenneth, Jerome. Eto na. Ayan na. Team. No good. Diba? Medyo malamig pa ang both teams. Ayaw score. Jor. Na-rebound niyo ulit. Oh.
Bigay! Open.
Jerome for three. There you go. Mahirap iwan yung bata na yun. Pag nakawala. Oh! Misunderstanding. Malamig. Jerome. Dribbling the ball.
Nice chance!
To Charles. Fake.
Nice shot!
Mid-range shot.
Nice shot!
There you go. And Kobe shoes. Joab. Signaling the play. Kuya Jun. That's a foul. Blocking foul on Kenneth. First team foul. Kuya Jun. Minadali. Didiretso. Wala. Rebound again. By white team. 24.
Get it!
Joar. Joar, sinisipat. Oh, yung guys sa gitna.
Pusta!
Jump ball. Who's ball? Black ball tayo, black ball. Jaro. Jerome. Pass to Tim. Dueling.
Nice!
Okay. To Jerome again. For three. Yeah! Bang!
Nice entry!
There you go. Nag-iinit na ang block.
No, Charles!
Astrillo dribbling the ball. Another steal. Oh, that's a foul. Committed by Ellie.
13-second shot clock.
13-second shot clock. For three. No good. Jerome.
Push it!
looking for the receiver. Pass to team. No good. Out of bounds by Black.
Nice one, open.
Light ball.
That's open, that's open.
Joar. Jody Guzman. Back to Joar. Looking for
54 seconds.
June. 50 seconds remaining. Pass to Ellie. Ellie lays up. There you go. Black is pressuring the white team.
Nice one. 8 seconds.
Oops. That's a foul. Wala nang bola, pre. Wala nang yung bola. Gagano.
Foul, di ba? Is it foul?
No.
8 seconds.
20 seconds. 17 seconds remaining.
40 seconds.
Jerome. 14 seconds shot clock. 11 seconds. Ellie.
Nice pass.
Kenneth. On a fair try. Wow. Two shots sa'yo. Kenneth.
Sino mo?
27 foul. 2 shots for Kenneth.
Sino mo po sa amin?
Villacorta. First shot.
Mark, sino mo po?
Kenneth.
Kasi.
Good one.
Siya lang.
Bahala ka na.
Dalawa lang kayo eh.
Eric ka si Charles na lang. Eric ka si Charles. Kaya nga, di ba? Kaya pa hindi ka dapat po sa
Huwag pumasok.
Ay, yawa. Pumasok.
Siya lang.
Dalawa.
Team. Ay, hindi. Brak.
Bingo. Tara. Kaganda na laban. Dito na si Paring Big. Solisa. Mid-range. Floater. No good. Rebound by Mark Velez. Binigay kay Obed. Looking for Ellie. Ellie for Mark. Charles. Bates. Mark Velez. No good. Rebound by Bean. Bean's looking for teammates. On the right side. Balik down.
Piso.
No good. Obed. Fast break. What a move by Ellie Buendia. Ay, Pards. Bin. Solisa. Wala. Joar. 9 seconds. Shot clock. Yeah! There you go. Solisa, first 3 points ng white team.
Fate over field.
Fate over fear, sorry. Obed? In the middle?
8 seconds shot clock.
8 seconds shot clock. What? Ellie? Beat Solisa. Rebound. All the way! Foul and 1! 5 straight points kay Vince Solisa. And another free throw. Foul block.
Dalawa lang. Ay, hindi. Wala. Isa lang. First team foul lang.
First team foul. No good. Rebound by Mark Velez. Velez. Obed. Kumuha ng play. Mark Velez and 1. Iba talaga si Idol.
Try box out.
Sino foul? Oh. Right one.
Sa listahan ko,
And 1.
dalawa yung fate over field. Tatlo na yun.
Sinong tatlo?
Rebound. Foul, that's a foul, the reaching foul. Reaching foul by Ali.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul pare.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, moving tools. John, bring me the ball. Block by Mark. And rebound. Steal by Bean. Bean for three. No good. Rebound by Ellie. To Mark Velez. Sandali lang daw, sabi ni Obed. Hintay lang, hintay. O yan. Pero pinadali ni Mark. Pinadali. Wala. Bean sa Lisa. Joan. 3 on 2. There you go. Easy basket by Joan. Joan to Bean. Bean to Ellie. Ellie. That's a foul. Reaching foul by number 6, Joan.
Foul.
You have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Bean to Obed pala. Fast break, sakto yan! Wala! Ellie. Last touch.
Sino yung naka-stay?
White ball.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes on the first quarter. Bean to Lisa. Black ball. Good defense by Macdo. McDonald. McDonald's pa yan. McDonald. Ellie for three. No good. Rebound by Mark Velez. Grabe lang sa tama to. Grabe yan. Ganda ng pasa.
May assist pala yun.
Grabe. Meron na siyang assist ngayon. Vinzolisa. Maghanap ng mabasahan. Ellie. Steal by Ellie. Papak. Ellie. All the way. 2 points. John. Down. Penalty tayo. 2 shots. Penalty. Joe, our first try. Good. One more. Free throw. No good. Rebound by Ellie. Who's ball, right?
4 seconds, ha?
Jambo.
Black ball.
Hindi nakita.
White ball.
White ball. Bus. Looking for a receiver. To Joa. To Gilbert. Woo! Wala. Sayang yun. Obed. Obed. Changing the play. To Charles. For three. Yeah! There you go. Joan. 18 seconds left. Oh, Charles, Obed. 14 seconds remaining. 14 seconds. Ellie lays in. Yeah. 5 seconds.
Wait!
9. Score is
Hindi lang yung Bird. Push, Bird. Push.
Fade over fear 8 points.
May hangover pa yata sa biyahe.
Moving to 25. Now we're going to the second quarter. Tingnan natin anong diskarte magiging diskarte ng white team yan. Kung paano nila ika-counter ang mga atake ng black team. Okay, nagpapadala kay Obed.
Yung maganda daw.
Okay yan, mahaba pa oras. Mahaba pa. May 3 quarters ba?
Charles, if you want, I'll take the shoes, ha?
Charles, later on, ha? Yeah, you know what to do.
No. Team. Wing ka. Wing.
Pasok na tayo. Pasok.
Oy, nagsabay yung dalawa nila malaki. Wala yan mamaya.
Jerome for 3.
Short!
Curry spot yun. Oh, and a block by Gilbert.
Hindi, si Gilbert pwede siya, hindi niya pinili eh.
Bola. Botata ni Gilbert. Jerome again. No good. Rebound by three Watchers.
Bala! Get your man!
Gilbert. To Vin. To Gilbert. In the middle. That's a reaching foul. Committed by Jerome. Jerome Regina. First personal foul. First team foul by moving to
4-second shot lang.
Joan. 4-second shot clock. 3, 2, 1. Black ball. Good. Ooh, what a defense by Dean Zaliza. Jerome Regina.
Open!
Open for 3. Sinubukan. Hindi. Kumalog na konti. Kailangan niya adjust ang ring. Dean Zaliza, walang foul. Who's ball, Red?
Trusty Charles!
Shot clock. 12 seconds.
Tumama na!
Kuya Jude. Or 2. That's a good one in the middle. Mid shot by Kuya Jude Felipe. Oben. To Jerome again. Oh, jump stop. Easy shot by Jerome.
Hindi, baliktad.
Vin Solisa. Vin wanting to respond to that. Joan. Oh!
Alright, all the way!
Jerome looking for a pass. There you go, Oben.
Get!
Wait.
Kuya Jude dribbling the ball. Looking.
29-10.
Lays in. No good. Rebound by Obed.
29-10 na.
Lahat ng rebound nakukuha ng black. Kailangan gumawa ng paraan ng white.
Bigyan mo! Bigyan mo!
Wearing Sabrina.
That's it!
Sabrina red.
Hey!
Nothing back. But
Wide nyo lang!
Big Solisa. Pass to Kuya Jude. Powers in. No good.
Dalawa!
Jerome again. Jerome Regina. Pass to team. Easy to.
Time out.
Wala na, ipasok na. Live ball yan, live ball.
Sorry.
Marcus kami.
Vin Solisa. Crossing over.
Watch on my phone.
Pass kick out to Joar for 3. Jerome Regina. Bet the ball. But Joar anticipated the pass.
Wow, ganda naman.
Gilbert pass. And one.
That's fine. Time out daw sila, di ba?
Time out.
And one by
Hindi sila.
Gilbert.
May tamot pa rin yan, Brad. Stop time naman.
Uy, huwag ka
Mamaya na to.
Di ba? Pinaremind ko lang eh.
Sige yung timeout.
Nakikinig lang kami sa timeout sa Captain Ball Sa Captain Ball
Cancel na daw, cancel.
Clarification lang.
Sino Charles?
Charles, foul.
Captain Ball lang ang pwede mag-timeout, ha?
Nana. Lalapit kayo, pre, ha? Or sabihan mo kami. Pasok.
And one.
Go na!
Finish the play by Gilbert. Jerome. Pass to Manong Obed. To Kenneth. Kenneth powers in. No good. White ball tayo. Fade over field ball. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. Kuya Jude, jump stop. Yeah, easy 2 points by Kuya Jude. Jerome. Oh! Grabe yun. Gigil na gigil ah. Jerome, bumawi. Bang!
Go, go up, go up, go up, go up.
35 seconds remaining. 35 seconds. Frosting over. Wait, June. Mid-range shot.
Trouble, trouble.
Foul!
No, foul.
Down.
Number 8.
Foul na tayo, number 8.
Dalawa pa lang.
Foul sa baba.
Base, base, base.
24 seconds. 9 seconds shot clock. Gilbert. 2. No good. Rebound by Gilbert again. Power play by Gilbert.
Last shot, Jerome.
15 seconds. Jerome Regina, 15 seconds. Oh!
Last. Two.
That's a foul. Foul committed by 91. Bin. 2 shots.
Okay.
2 shots.
Pinapadaan mo dito yung paggamit ng oras ah.
Bet, dalawas ka na.
Anong liga yun? Oh, Bet? Anong liga yun?
Dalawa na si Vince.
Uy, dalawa na yun.
ABC po tayo, ha? ABC. Jerome Regina.
Saka si Oben.
Another one. Free throw.
Pwede rin si Jerome.
Welcome sa ating tropa, Kuya Edwin.
Parang special naman.
Wala. Jerome, one more attempt, no good. We have 6 seconds left. 6 seconds. Boom!
All the way.
3, 2, 1. Oh! That could have been big if that went in. If that went in, oh my man. Palit players tayo, palit players. Second quarter pa lang tayo, second quarter. Half. Players.
Half na second quarter.
Pasok tayo, pasok.
What's up guys? Walang timeout dyan.
Walang tayo hindi binibigyan ng oras para huminga. Ang white.
Kaya na, pagkano. Bumudla na.
Yung mga...
Sige na, magbigay ka na.
Sige, Gord, wala na.
Bet!
Ako lang pa isa.
Ano ba isa? Ayaw na maglaro ng white.
Bet! Bet!
Check.
Kaya mo na si Vince. Hindi na talaga niya kaya eh.
Ayan. Gilbert. Pero ang bilis naman. Grabe naman ng tira. Oh, Mark Velez.
Oras.
Jerome.
Next quarter, next period.
Jerome. Ano?
Bet, time muna rin.
Oh, good. Jerome Regina for 3. No good. In and out. Rebound by Castrillo. Bawi. White team.
Nice pressure, Carl.
Dunk na to ni Pari Mark. Uy! All the way. Easy to for Mark Velez.
Ilan ako?
That's pressure defense coming from McDonough. Jerome Regina, open 3. No good. Rebound by Ali. This moving tools is getting all the rebounds. But still by Vin. Vin all the way. Yeah. Kaya ba yan?
20 lang.
Stop clock tayo kaya all
Wait,
good.
39 na, boy.
Jerome Regina, Obet, Jerome. Whoop.
Nice, I miss yan.
Wala. Nagalit. Hinampas ang bola.
Let's go.
Let's go, Vin. 3 minutes, 14 seconds. remaining. Vin Solisa asking for a screen. Gilbert, open shot. Bang, 2 points. Easy 2. Obet, inuubos ang oras. Tumakdono for 3. Hindi tumama. Dueli! Ayaw tumama sa ring ang mga tira ng mga itim. 4 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds. Oh, no. Good. All the way. There you go. Good passing by white team. Fade over field.
Sino yung naka-assist kasi?
Hey, under tayo 4 points ha.
Obet. Obet, dribbling mo. Relax lang daw. Sabi ni Obet. Ayan, binigay na kay Mark. Ito na. Mark Veles, binigay.
Come on, Mark.
Oo, malapit na. Kasama yan.
Left.
Bean. Pass the ball, open shot. No good. Rebound by.
Line.
Yeah, Bean Soliza again. Bean Soliza looking for passing teammate. No good. Oh, another steal by White.
Nice, McDonald.
Oh!
Miss
Oh,
yan.
Pinoy step by Jerome Regina. Swoosh! Ibay itong bata na to eh.
4-point swing yan. 4-point swing yan.
Come on, Ryan.
Nagpapakilala na naman. Abin. Oh! Dito Lisa. Turn around play. McDonough! Lays in!
It's okay.
No good.
Fine.
Rebound by over field.
Gilbert.
Looking for his teammates. Slowing down a bit. Mid-range shot. No good. Gilbert. No good. Rebound by white team. May puso itong puti. Gusto lumaban. For 3. No good. Oh! Who's ball ref? Black ball.
May puso.
May puso itong puti. Talagang lumalaban pa. Maano ka? Ano tawag sa manok? Ayun na, Obet. Aba, pinasaan.
Eight.
Medyo konting malas ng
Backs out tayo, backs out.
Mark Veles. Who's foul? Number 21. 21.
First
nice.
personal.
Range.
Second
First personal foul by number 21.
Manager Relay.
Manager Gilbert. Wala na. Kapong-kapo na.
Load management po.
Mark Veles shooting second free throw. There you go. In. Black team is continuing pressure defense to beat Soliza. One-on-one team. But this passing of white team is really
We recover agad.
wanting to win really.
All right, Pat. 35 seconds.
Bet last. Ay, di pa pala.
Obet looking for receiver. Ellie, 3 points. No good. Get his own rebound.
Last shot. Ang obit. Ang lalaki ng obit.
80 seconds. Okay. Last shot.
14 seconds. 12, 10. Mark Veles, easy to.
7.
Ginamita ng kulang.
4 seconds.
3 seconds. 2 seconds. Pag pumasok yan, 20 points yan, pre. Sayang eh. Kunti na lang.
Bert! Hinga ba?
Pahinga muna. Second quarter. We're now on we're done with the first half of the quarterfinals between Moving Tools versus Fade Over Fear. Meron ba talagang fate na natitira? Over Fear sa Moving Tools. Ano kaya mangyari yan? Ang Moving Tools kaya ay magko-continue sa moving or ang fate ay maging ibabaw. Tingnan natin sa third quarter.
Hinga muna, oy. Bigyan niyo namin chance magpahinga sila.
20 points ang kalamangan ng Moving Tools. We would like to thank our sponsors.
Moving Tools.
Moving Tools,
Sponsored by the Fate Over Fear.
sponsored by
Wala nang sasaboy.
and Fade Over Fear. And next game, mamaya. Ano na?
Bigyan nyo na.
Oh, 30 seconds. Masyado excited. Easy. Plano muna, plano. Plano muna tayo. Hinga-hinga konti. Gusto nyo tapusin agad yung laro, ha? Kung maaga yung pasok bukas, ha? Oh, paganda muna tayo sa sapatos. Meron dito naka Obi White. May dalawang naka Sabrina. Sabrina, red and pink. Meron Dame Lillard. Meron dito naka LeBron James. May D-Wade doon, isa. Mahal yun. Ano ba isa dyan? LeBron James. Talagang pagandahan na lang ang sapatos ng laban dito.
Yung green, maganda rin yun.
Yung green, ano yan? Christmas, ano yan, ha?
LeBron James.
LeBron James, Christmas edition.
Kenneth, fine, Kenneth.
The Greens.
Yan.
Kulang.
Oh, third quarter na. Third quarter. Diba kanina? Who's ball kanina?
Hindi, bola nyo kanina nung nag-jump ball eh.
Black na punta, nag-jump ball.
Hindi, white kanina. Hindi, nag-jump ball, hindi nakita ng ref. Nag-jump ball, white ball. White ball. Kaya, possession nyo nga eh.
Oh, possession nyo na. Ang moving tools. Okay. So let's go back to our
Open.
Jerome open for three. No good. Pass out. Dribbling by all the way by Big Tulisa. Pass to his teammates. No good.
Open!
Get it to Ellie. Woo!
That's it.
Easy.
Hindi yun, walang layup yun.
Joa. Kaya pa yan, mga Francoy.
Sunod lang.
Okay. Big Tulisa. Yan, Joa. Libre yan, pre.
All the way!
Get it to Jerome. Looking for his teammates. Oh, fade away. No good. Rebound by Charles. Charles fakes. Ellie to Jerome. Jerome takes the shot. 4-3, no good. Nagibabaw si Kuya Jun. Pass it to Vin again. Vin Salisa. Teardrop. Yeah! Nothing but shush.
Hey, play 4!
Lumalaban. Team handing the ball to Jerome. Jerome crossing over. Jerome.
Yan!
Messi move. Ang connection ng tatlo na yun, matindi. Ang connection ng tatlo na yun, pasahan. Saan ba nagpa-practice sa mga yan? Joar for 3. Bang! Meron po pag-asa. Faith will overcome fear. Jerome Regina. Looking for Kuya Charles. Yeah! Pawi. 2 points lang tayo. 2 points lang. 2 points tayo kay Charles. Vince Lisa. Joar, no good. It's a forced shot.
Yes, sa'yo, Jess.
All the way!
Jerome Regina, libre. Si Kenneth, libre yung Brad.
Hey, si Jerome, ha?
Can't stop that.
O, sige, si Jerome.
Vince Lisa.
Hindi, sa ilalim ka, Kenneth!
8 seconds. Shot clock. 6 seconds shot clock. Yeah! Good pass. Ibang vision nito ni pare ko eh. Ibang vision sa court vision ng TV. Jerome dribbling the ball. Oh, crossover. Oh, heady move. Oh. Oh, passing. 2. Bus. Lays in. That's a foul.
Nice ball. Foul. Foul yun.
Foul. Two free throws.
Si Sarge, libre dito sa baseline kanina.
Hindi makahinga ang mga white.
Mark.
Sobrang bilis ng black.
Si Felipe at saka Vince pinili kanina. Hindi sila maglalaro sa second.
Bus. With the number Kobe Bryant. 24.
Box out.
Box out, transition.
Boost, one more shot.
Bakit nang kampas sa akin kanina?
Yeah, that's it.
Kuha. Pesto muna, papestoy mo muna.
Dadagdagan pa ba ng black team to? O i-take time naman sila? Yun na.
Give.
Oh.
Yan, attack!
Jerome. Steal. Stolen by... No good. Rebound by Kuya Jun. Powers in. 2 points by Kuya Jun.
Pass it, give it.
Double C. Double Charles. Double. Give to Ellie. Jerome. Oh! Inside pass to Kenneth. Pinaorta.
Ganun lang.
Power play, but there's a foul committed by
2-7.
2-7. Kuya Jun.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul, Kuya Jun. Our score is 53-35. Baliktara.
May AP birthday.
Kenneth's first shot. Minura.
Rebound, box out. 5 kayo, mag-rebound. Anong free throw yan?
Inaasar ng kasama. Oh, dyan daw. Kala nyo ha? Oh, tingnan natin yung pasok. Wala ka rin.
Walang shooting yun, walang shooting.
Lin Solisa. Kabila. Lin. Pass to his teammates on open shot. Rebound. Jerome. The flash. No good. But there's a foul by Lin.
Tatlo na si Vince.
Lin, you have 3 fouls.
Second team.
Second team fouls of Fade over Fear. We have 1 minute and 10 seconds left to our third quarter. First shot, no good.
Hey, get one.
Second shot. No good. No good. Black ball. Di nag-
Okay, what's in?
Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute.
Open.
Pass to his teammates. 3. Boost. 2 Pontrilla. 2 back to Joar. Joar for an open 3. No good. Rebound by Kajun. Turn around. Foul committed by Charles.
Fouls, third.
2 free throws.
Third na si Charles.
Third personal foul. Charles. Two free throws. First shot goes in. Second shot. Nothing back. Swish. 53-37. 36 seconds left. 20 seconds in the shot clock. Kenneth powers in. That's a foul.
Nice one.
Foul committed by Kuya Jun.
Tatlo na yan, tatlo.
3 fouls, Kuya Jun.
Tatlo na yan.
Kuya Jun, 3 fouls. Ilang fouls yung Jerome, jump stop. And
What's up?
Vinsolisa to Joar. There you go.
Nice one.
Good ending by the white team.
39-55 yun.
39-55.
Pwede pa yan.
Third quarter.
More than 1 quarter.
Last 5 minutes of the third quarter. Last 5 minutes of the third quarter.
Buzzer mo.
Felipe, Kuya Jun, at saka Vin.
Kalate.
Kalahati pa lang third quarter.
Lati pa lang. Sorry boys.
Yor, pasok. Or sino one?
Laban. Ayun mo na, laban niyo muna yan. Kuya Jun.
Kuya Jun. Third quarter pa lang.
Ano ka muna, kuya? Bawal, kuya, dalawa. Hindi, kuya, dalawa, kuya.
Dalawa kayo
Dalawa,
laro
kuya.
sabay.
Sabay kayo kanina. Ganun na mga reply, Brad. Oh, yan. May bago tayong player.
Nice
Para
ka.
ko.
Keep going ka.
Si Jules! Oh, man! Jules, pass to the Guzman. Pass to the Guzman.
3-2.
Julius for 3. Oh, nahipit ang bola. Ano yan? Plus 5 yan.
Obet got this.
Plus 5.
And this.
Ayaw.
Obet got this. 13 minutes. Ay. Dalawang beses tayo nag-jumble kanina. Ang bola ng una kami. Ang galing mo, team. Ibig sabihin, dapat.
Black ball. Black ball tayo.
Pero ang ginawa na natin, white black. Sige, tali yan. White position next summer.
Up. Pass to Mark Velez. Tobit. Paulan. Tobit. No good. Rebound by Busbus. 2 from the Guzman. 2 parts. To Gilbert. Gilbert. Mid-range shot. No good.
16 lang yan. Pwede
Last
go.
touch ng fake over fear.
Laban lang, laban.
Obet. Obet. Taking time.
Open.
Pass to Team. Team for 3. No good. Bola ng white team. Tumama na sa ano. Shot clock ano. Tumama. Julius. Dribbling the ball.
No
Julius.
foul. No foul. Keep
Looking for
going.
his teammates.
Good job, team.
Danilia. Looking for the Guzman. Takes the shot. No good. Rebound by Mark Velez. Medyo malalaki ang mga black. Mark Velez. All the way. Woo! That could have been an end one. Bus. The Guzman. To Jules. Side step. No good. The Guzman to Bus.
Hey!
Lost the ball.
Black one.
Lost the ball. Natapik. Bus. To the Guzman. No good. To McDonough looking for Mark Velez. And one by Mr. MVP.
Ano ba talaga?
Sila lang.
20 pa rin yung damo.
Mark Velez.
Nakakahabol na sila.
Nakahabol na kanina. Medyo... Ano lang. Kinapos na ng konti. Mark Velez. Shooting his 2 free throws. First shot. Shimmy. No good. 2 traveling violation.
It's okay.
Nakita ni Rep yun, pre. Bawal yun. The Guzman looking for his teammates. Looking. The Guzman again. No good. Mark Velez rebound. Ellie running the play. Ready to Obit. Last back to Ellie. Yeah. It's a power move by Ellie.
Ito, team.
Who check out?
Last 2 minutes.
Nice
in the remaining
game,
third
nice
quarter. 30-second shot clock. Kuya Gilbert. No good. Team. Pass to Obit. Kaya pang...
It's okay.
Naubusan.
Okay, Mac
To
got it.
Jules.
Mac got
For
it.
3. No good. Oh. Rebound by Mark Velez.
Obet.
That's too easy. Ellie. Too easy play.
Papahiya ka lang eh.
Matindi ang mga pasahan ng mga black ngayon. Kailangan makarecover ng white. The Guzman, kaya ba yan? We're still in the third quarter. Yeah! Banda. Natawag na banda. May kasamang
1 minute, Kaz.
swerte.
Papa, sisisiyan mo naglaro ka.
Tayo kay Obet. 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 Team! Team! Kumukuha ng bola si Mark. Kumukuha ng bola. Mark Velez, turn around. Line violation, bro. Masyadong mahaba, masyadong mahaba.
Check out, check out. Nice. Follow bet.
Jules! Foul counted and one!
Nice, nice, nice.
Malaban pa, may puso pa ang fake.
Warning for penalty ang.
Warning for penalty. Moving tools. 2 free throws by Julius. Counted. Sorry. Thank you, Parakoy.
Jules.
One shot. Goes in. Completed the 3-point play by Julius. Obet, minadali! Minadali! Andyan na! Pinagalitan pa si Mark. Doon ka dapat kasi. Tumira.
First personal pa lang pala yun.
2 free throws by Mark Velez.
Box out!
First shot.
Oh my God!
In and out, in and out, in and out. Kailangan na shimmy. Kailangan na shimmy.
Stand back.
Lawang na kayo, gusto pa.
Mark Velez.
Nice.
That went in. 1 point by Mark Velez. Julius! Bigot! Binigay! Ooh!
Hey.
De Guzman! Pass it to opponent. Obet! Ellie lays in. No good. Rebound is on shot. Obet! 30 seconds. Good one. No good. 4 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Oh. That's alright. Alam mo, hindi lumalayo itong moving tools, pre. 20 points lang. Nag-stay lang dahil sa 20 points. Pero kailangan lang ng konting ano. Pero medyo naubusan ng hangin ng mga fake.
Hindi makita na nanaliksik yung ano eh. Pagkahawak. Ganun ang puto.
Ang lakas! Wala tayong lakas sa first set.
Relax.
Kaya pa yan, kaya pa.
Quarter to.
Same defense. Half court man to.
Uy, nawala yung stop.
Dali lang.
Hinga lang. Tubig.
Stop fight tayo.
Ano, ulit na lang ulit.
Si Black.
Gusto tayo lahat dyan ha.
Makikita kaya natin ang 3-point specialist na si Joker para makahabol.
Hey, lalagay mo tubig.
Or ang power play ni Gilbert at saka ni Kuya June. Or ang court vision ni Pare Vin. Makikita natin yan mga. Ang score 64-0. Ay, 44 pa. 20 points, kaya ba yan in 20 minutes? So mag-trading nga eh. Diba? Mag-trading nga eh. 33 points in 11 seconds. Ay, in 13 seconds. 13 points. Bilog ang bola. Kaya, will it be an upset? Or the moving tools will reign?
Hey, man to man! Jules!
Isa pa!
Chance! You're the...
Hey, isa pa sa loob!
One more.
Eh, sa'yo si Joar, Kenneth. Sa'yo si Joar. Oh, sige.
George. Calling the ball.
Sunod lang, no?
Diba ang depensa kay Vin? Vin's ulit sa teardrops. Using the board, using the glass for 2. 2 points. 18 points na lang kalamangan. Jerome Regina. Fix. McDonough. Charles for 3. Bang! Vince Ulisa. Vince Ulisa, teardrops again! And one!
Ikaw mauna, Kyle. Ikaw mauna, Kyle. Ikaw mauna. Kyle.
Lumalaban pa. Iba yung puso nito ni Pare Vin. Kayang gusto manalo.
Awin ka naman, okay.
Kaya ba yan?
Kaya ba yan?
Bonus shot. No good. Rebound by Mark Velez. Mark Velez. Point guard lays in. That's easy. Easy 2 points. Johar looking for his teammates. Kuya Jude takes the shot, no good. Rebound by Julius. Kuya Jude. Pass to
Hey, shooter!
Pastrillo. Oh, for 3!
Hey, shooter yun!
Pag hindi pumantay ang block, may kalalagyan. Ha? Pero tingnan natin ang grip nito mga to. Ang mga... Jerome, tutik, tumakdo, no? Jerome! No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Powers in. There's a foul by Julius. Number 4, foul. 2 free throws by
Jerome!
Kenneth D.
Sub rep ha. Pag na-shoot.
Next up.
Sabrep, next up.
Sub.
Pag na-shoot. Kenneth. One more.
Si Julius yun, si Julius.
Kenneth.
Sub!
Sabrep.
Ball sa
Tama
bar.
kaya?
Sabi. Hindi mo naman foul yun eh.
Wala. Mamaya, cancel tayo, cancel.
Warning rep, warning!
Vince Ulisa loses the ball, but nakuha niya pa rin. Kuya Jun! Vince Ulisa, easy play. Jerome Regina, nagmamadali. Gusto ko tira, bumawi. Patay. Sa babaw. Vince Ulisa, babawi na naman. Point guard to point guard. Johar for 2. No good.
Team, sabab.
Jerome.
Sub. Next sub.
Regina. No good. Kenneth.
Sino sa buwis?
That's a hard foul committed by
Sub.
Kuya. Kuya Jun. That's your 4th foul, Kuya.
Kyle, sub muna, Kyle.
4th foul.
Babatayan mo lang si Vince.
Warning, Kuya Jun. One more foul and nakanta na tayo. Happy grand. Kenneth. First shot. In. Ingat lang tayo, mga pre.
Pagka-shoot daw,
May trabaho pa tayo. Kenneth Villacorta. Winning. The score is 75-53. 22 points.
Yan, kunin mo yan. Wala sa ito
Ang lamang.
Hey, sa lubang, Kenneth, ha?
Vince Ulisa. Nakakuha ng screen. Boom. Tears. Up. Jules.
Taas.
Jump stop.
Hey! Rap!
Kuya Jun. Boom. Mawala. Diret. Jules. Wow. Batin.
Franco.
Iba talaga ang puso ng gusto manalo eh.
Franco! Hindi sa'yo si Kuya Gilbert. Franco!
Free throws.
Yan na, kunin mo na yan.
By Jules.
Hey, baksa!
Jules. First shot.
Kenneth,
No
shooter
good.
sa'yo, Kenneth, ha?
One more shot. Second shot. No good. Rebound by Mark Velez. Oh, steal by Jor. Jor. No good. Rebound by Jules. Foul. That's a foul. Wait more, Mark Velez. Ano mo na yan?
Hey! Back out muna kayo! Back out!
Ilan lang foul ni Mark?
Dalawa pa lang.
Dalawa pa lang.
13 foul ah.
Second personal foul by Mark Velez. 13th foul by Moving Tools. Dalawa. Pumasok na. After 2 missed shots. Pumasok na rin ang third free throw ni Jules.
Dalawa.
Second shot in. That's in. Jerome. Tingnan natin diskarte ng Moving Tools ngayon. They're up by 20 points. Kas sapatos muna tayo. Sige. Shot clock. Foul. That's a foul, but number 6. Richie foul by Joar. 14 second shot clock. Moving Tools. Jerome. Up step. Mid-range by Mark Velez. Nothing but shoot.
Kunin mo na!
Ah!
Pakita lang, pakita!
Grabe depensa ng Moving Tools.
No reaching team.
Pero nakaharap ng butas si Marvin. Marvin Julius. Look at that rebound. And fake 3. And 3. Jerome lays in. Easy to ba Jerome Regina. Favorite niya mga ganyan. Mga fast break play. Jor. Parang ang lamang ng white pa.
It's okay team.
Joar. Oh! Jerome Regina. 4 block is running. Jerome Regina. Passing 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds yan. Pare koy. May nangitlog tayo ngayon.
Apat kayo!
Oh, nangyari. Jules, step back. Fade away. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Jerome Regina, teardrops. Easy. Using the glass. 2 points. Vin Salisa. Vin, mahigpit ang depensa kay Parvin ngayon. Oh,
Nice, Brian.
Vin.
Give it.
Vin. Kuya Jun. No good. Kaya na yan, 5 minutes left. Mark Velez. Grabe yun. Paano mo babantayin yung ganun?
21. Sab muna.
Mark Velez and 1 play. Substitution rep. Pagod na, Marvin.
Sino foul?
Okay lang yan.
21 lang.
That's alright. Kuya Jun, ano ba? First and 1 play. Hindi na convert. Julius to Gilbert. Powers in. No good. Ayaw pa rin. Ayaw pumasok ng mga white. Kenneth dunks it. Oh, yeah, there you go. Ayaw talaga. Ayaw pahingahin itong mga white. Boost for 3. No good. Bad pass. Boost once again. Use the board. No. Rebound by Gilbert. Woo! Mark Dennis. All the way na yan. Ano yung nangyari doon, Brad?
Wala nang point system yan, oh.
Diyan na nakatira yan.
Wala nang point system yan.
Mahabol pa ng ano.
Sa kanto.
Ha? Si Charles?
Oo. Bumili yung bahay.
Ha?
Kasi daw hindi ko yung mall.
Gilbert.
Ay, galing! Wow!
Oh, man.
Sayang yung atman. Sub daw, sub.
Grabe yun, substitution ref. Charles back in.
Charles, after this game, ha?
Plus 5, plus 50 ang white ha. Sure. Obet. Inuubos na lang ang oras. Pinapasa na lang ang bola kay Team. Wala. Rebound by Obet again. Reset time ng shot clock, 40 seconds.
May ano kayo, pre?
Crossing over. Batang-bata. Ellie to Kenneth. To Team. Ito ano? No good. Rebound by Paraguay. Takes the three. No good. Obet. Charles. Anticipated by Gilbert. At nandun si Ellie Buendia. Pasok. Bus. Julius.
Run!
Three.
Run!
Kenneth. Up. Obet. Inuubos na lang ang pansit.
Middle!
Three. No good. Kenneth. Easy rebound and easy 2 points.
Pasok kayo.
Score is 91-55.
Stop. Next up.
Take it easy bro. Easy na lang tayo. Para meron pang next season.
Next up.
Kaya pa yan kung si Iay ang papasok. A foul. Pinaul pa talaga ni Mario Obet.
Carl.
Masasab. Masasab. Jerome at team. Labas muna, McDono. Maganda yung pinakita ng mga black team ngayon. Grabe. Maganda rin yung tira ng white eh. Kaso hindi lang mapasok eh. Jerome Regina. Charles for 3. Oh, good.
last week. Tawag sa last game.
Oh, dinipensahan pa rin. Talagang.
Defense!
De Guzman.
Nice block!
Last 2 minutes. Oh, panalo na kayo. Congratulations. Moving to.
Tiro, Tim! Puta.
Game 3. Open, Jerome. Open!
Nice 3. Thank you. Nice.
Nice one. Oh, that's so good.
Nice shot, man.
Black ball.
Ibalik daw yung mga tagsisig-50. Nag-pull out daw yung sponsor. Bet! Nag-pull out daw yung sponsor nyo.
Nice one, Kenneth.
Pag-ibalik daw yung 500 niya.
Rebound! All the way.
Nice, thank you.
Wala na talagang spike yung sapatos ko. Oo, tatak sana, di ba? Ayaw talaga.
Ayaw?
Sasabayin ko sana eh. Bulak.
Bert! May resibo ka pa man yan? Ibalik mo bukas yan ha? Hindi maganda performance.
Soli mo yan.
Salamat, 3 points yan.
Go, Charles! Give me your shoes! Tres.
Nice, good season. Good season. Good season, good season.
Okay, thank you very much for this game. Nanalo ang Moving Truths. 98-57. Thank you very much sa lahat ng players ng Faith Over Fear sa pinakita niyong laro. And huwag kayong mawala sa ating next season. Our next season is gonna be Saturday, 2025. Okay, fill up the form.
Alaban natin next game sila, ano, sila tayo.
Okay, we would like to congratulate you. Okay, si Mr. Mark Jedro Velez for the best player of this game. Wearing 17 points, 14 rebounds.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
At
Marami pa points ko dyan ah!
may surprise na assist na isa.
May isang assist, oh. May assist siya kasi, isa.
Ilang beses nag-alangan? Isang beses nag-alangan.
Hindi, may assist kasi siya, isa. Pag may assist yan, automatic best player na.
Tawal mo, nag-alangan.